Now let us discuss few diseases which are caused by various types of viruses. The first disease is the polio myelitis, which is having an incubation period of around 7 to 14 days, and the mode of transmission of this disease, it is through excreta, it is through various secretions of nose and which incubation in the intestine. This is a various mode of transmission of polio. And what are the different symptoms of this disease? The different symptoms include fever, sore throat, muscular pain, paralysis of various muscles, stiff back and high pulse rate. So these are various symptoms of polio. And what is the preventive measure? It is through immunization and Salk vaccine. Now moving on to second disease caused by virus, which are mumps, which have an incubation period of around 12 to 16 days, and the mode of transmission of these disease is through contact and through contaminated food or milk and air. The various symptoms of these disease include fever, headache and swelling below the ear in the neck. What is the prevention of mumps? It is by avoiding contact and by vaccination of gamma globulin. So what is the next disease which is caused by virus? It includes rabies, which have an incubation period of 30 days or more, and the mode of transmission is through a canine disease, which is by a dog bite. So this is how a canine disease which is resulting from the bite by a dog, which results in rabies, and the symptoms include hydrophobia, and it also attracts the central nervous system. Again, the prevention is through immunization of a dog, but it does not have any cure. It can only be prevented by giving an immune injection through the dog, to the dog. The last disease which is caused by virus is HIV or AIDS, which is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and it has an incubation period of 15 months. Now this disease, the mode of transmission is through sexual contact or through sharing of injections or needles and through injected blood. This symptoms of these disease include deficiency of immune system and loss of appetite and loss of weight, and the prevention of these diseases is only through avoiding sexual contact with the infected person and by preventing the use of surgical needles, however implying the use of disposable surgical needles. And this is what is the preventive measure of AIDS, which is a sexually transmitted disease. So these were various diseases which are caused by the different types of viruses.